Hello there. So I am going to draw Angel Cat, Aphmau Meemeows, because they're just so cute. That's what I'm going to draw. So, let me get this out of the way. Okay. Alrighty. So to start, we're going to start with 2 big circles for the eyes. Nice big circles. Like so. Not too far apart. That one might be a little too big. Or this one not big enough. Not claiming to be a professional here. I just like to draw things that are easy to finish. Cute little characters and whatnot. Okay. Now, of course, you have this cute little lash right there. I'm just using a regular pencil. I do have sketching pencils, but okay. And then you do a circle here, which will leave that white. You'll fill it in the eye around it, which you can do with whatever you have to color it in. Color pencils, markers, charcoal, whatever. Now how I do my stars is I just do like a star like that, and what I'll do is I'll just erase the lines, and you can fill these stars in whatever colors you want. It is your baby, right? Okay. To me, I just like it. It's just the easiest way for me to do. Try to make it even, whatever. Okay, so there's that. Now underneath here, right in the middle, we're going to make its little whisker and mouth. Kind of go around. And then bring down this mouth kind of in the middle of his little whisker there. Come back up, right in the middle. And then go across, make your tongue. Okay, now we're going to start and make his little bowl head here. So I'll start in the reference point right here, right about there where the eyelash is. Try to make it even on each side. I'm going to go down, and down here evenly on this side. Kind of come out just a little bit. And he's got a tiny bit of a flat bottom. It's not exactly round, so he kind of goes in a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to leave a space here. I'll go up maybe a tiny bit more above the eyelash, and then leave a space for the ear. Okay. And then you do your cute little eyebrow there. And then we're going to go ahead and start the halo, which is going to be going to kind of bring this line down here like so. Okay, then you'll go up over here as well, kind of make an oval. Now you're going to bring in your head like so. Okay, and you're going to bring this here, creating this halo. So it kind of looks like it's got a halo there. Whoop, I'll make that on the edge there. Now here on the ear, we're going to start where this opening begins and go up. And we're going to have the center point over here, because here, right about here, not exactly at the top of this curve on the top part of the halo, is where you're going to meet it, the ear. So right about here, we're going to go out this way, and then see where this other side of the opening is where you're going to begin the inner part of the ear. And then come down here, like so. And if you want to make it rounder looking, you can do that as well. I think I actually prefer that ear to be a little bit shorter. Okay, and then same thing over here. Then go up here, and then here. Okay. I think this needs to be a little bit longer down here. Apologize. Okay, I'll go ahead and fill this in. Oh, I forgot one thing. At the very bottom of the eyes, you're going to put a line across like so. Line across like so. And then 2 lines like so. Alright, and the rest of this, you can just fill in. What I like to do is go up around these areas. Fill that in first. You don't have to, but that's my preference. And this is the only part that I'll fill in, just so you can get an idea. Now, of course, I use color pencils, markers, charcoals, or whatever. There you go. Angel Kitty. If you have videos on your channel that you draw, or if you even have a channel where you make videos, let me know. Make yourself known. The reason is it's hard to find smaller channels. Maybe you're a big channel, medium channel, but I like to, people that visit me, I like to visit their channels as well, because all I see is big channels. That's all I ever see when you search stuff. And it's hard to find smaller channels. And I want to see smaller channels. So, anyways, or see new channels. Okay. So, now we're going to go ahead and clean up as I go. Now, this is where I'm going to start the body, right here. Right about almost to the top, not quite. I'm going to go around like so. I'm going to come down about like so. It's got a nice round bottom there. Now here, we'll go ahead and do this first front paw right about not quite halfway. And then I'm going to come across here. Bring this up a little. And then we're going to do the back leg. And then do the other front paw. Alright, now we'll do the tail, which will be about right here. Not too long. Have a nice round tip there. Go back in. Now, I'm going to do the wing, which would come kind of close to the body here, and you're just going to kind of go like so, and then you're going to make this first little tuft, and another one, and then bring that around, and then you're going to make this line here, like so. Maybe bring that up just a little bit more. Okay, now to decorate, well, we'll make some stars with some little circles. Maybe you might want to make some other things. A star down here. A star over here. They don't all have to be the same size. And then one on the tail. And then you color all that in. And your angel kitty. There you go. It'll look much better when you color it in, of course. And let me know if you like this video. I would appreciate a thumbs up. Also, I do acrylic pour painting, which is a lot of fun. If you've never tried it, oh my goodness, it is so fun. And actually very easy. I have other sketches of various things. There's a playlist, should be attached to this video. And that's it for this one, and I hope that you have a blessed day. Please like and subscribe. Bye!